Hello friends and welcome back. Today's topic for discussion is Shadow IT. So, without wasting any time, grab a notepad and let's begin. As software as a service, SaaS applications have become increasingly quick and easy to use. Employees can now download solutions onto their workstations to help them get the job done. However, many are using these applications with little regard for security. It's not surprising then that a 2019 Forbes Insights survey titled Perception Gaps in Cyber Resilience, Where Are Your Blind Spots? Found that more than 1 in 5 organizations experienced a cyber incident originating from an unauthorized or shadow IT resource. What do you need to know? Shadow IT refers to IT applications and infrastructure that employees use without the knowledge and/or consent of their organization's IT department. These can include hardware, software, web services, cloud applications, and other programs. In general, employees innocently download and use these applications to make their work easier or more efficient. Users are accessing these applications largely under the radar. They are often unintentionally opening the floodgate for insider threats, data breaches, and compliance violations. How the attack happens, as the name suggests, the secretive nature of shadow IT is thanks to employees sharing or storing data on unauthorized cloud services, setting the stage for a host of security and compliance risks. Breaches can occur when employees upload, share, or store critical or regulated data into shadow IT apps without appropriate security and data loss prevention solutions. The exposed information then provides an easy target for insider threats and data theft, and can also lead to costly compliance violations. In addition, the applications themselves might be fraught with endpoint vulnerabilities and security gaps where the attack comes from. In this case, the threat originates from within an organization. Employees using shadow IT apps often do so to get around a prohibitive policy or to get work done faster, not necessarily to put their employers and coworkers at risk. However, they ultimately leave the door wide open for malicious insiders or external hackers looking to exploit security holes in these systems. So that is all we have for today. I hope you found this video insightful. Please share it with your friends and subscribe for more such amazing content. Don't forget to check out similar interesting videos on my channel. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.